Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video, I will show you how to fix a microphone issue on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First, right click on your Windows icon and click on Settings option. Now on the left side, click on Privacy and Security. On the right side, scroll down and click on this microphone option. Now your first step will be enable this option, microphone access. Enable this option, and these are the applications which are using your microphone. For example, this application Skype. Enable microphone for your Skype application so that you can use your microphone in Skype. Now scroll down and make sure this option is enabled as well. Let desktop app access your microphone. Enable this option as well. So this is your first method to fix your microphone issue. Now move on to our next method. Now click on your search icon and type control panel. Click on this control panel app. In the view by option, change it to small icons. Now click on this sound option. Now click on this second tab, this recording. So this is my microphone which I am using. Simply right click on it and click on properties. Now click on this third tab, levels. So this is my microphone. Make sure your microphone not set as 0. Increase your microphone, and if your microphone is disabled like this, enable it. Simply click on it to enable your microphone. So that's it. Now click on OK, then click on OK. Now move on to our next method. Simply open your control panel again and then go to this troubleshooting option. Now click on this hardware and sound option. Now in the sound column, click on this recording audio option. Now click on next to run the troubleshooter. This option will detect and solve your microphone issue, and it will take some time. In my case, the troubleshooting could not identify any problem. So I will close this option and move on to a next method. Simply right click on your Windows icon again and click on this device manager. Now click on this first option, audio input and output. Expand this option, and this is the microphone I'm using. So first right click on it, then click on update driver, click on search automatically. So in my case, the best drivers for your device are already installed, so I will close this one. Now move on to a next step. Again, right click on your microphone and click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. That's it. Now restart your system and it will automatically install your microphone again, and this will fix your issue. So these are the troubleshooting steps you can apply to fix your microphone.